Hello gorgeous, so today I'm super excited because I got the chance to feed the birds and I feel like they're enjoying, which is a good thing. And yeah, so this is my morning routine every single day. I make sure I feed them because they make me happy and they are blessings. So yeah. So, guys, whenever you feel like you have nothing to do in the morning, just do something useful. Try to find something to do because this is amazing. I love this. I just love the way they enjoy it. Look at the view. Oh my god, this is amazing. Look at them. This is not amazing. This is actually cool and I'm loving this. Imagine doing this every single day. This is a blessing. So yeah, so let me show you how. Okay guys, bye bye.